Hi, my name is Nico. I'm the COO of VGram. Today I want to tell you how VGram support building information modeling in planning and on construction sites. In Germany and many other countries is BIM an enabler for digital transformation, especially in the infrastructure. So, why it is so? On site, we have 20% of deviation for as planned to as built, and 10% needs to be reworked. The problem is that the site manager in most of the time doesn't know all the problems. The reason is, ideally, there is 100% complete documentation. We are thinking that you can't have a real BIM project without a 3D as-built documentation. With BIM, you plan the whole construction site digital. Then you have to bring the geometry into the real world. After that, the important information needs to be back in the digital as-built model. So therefore, you feel what the challenge is? Yes, it needs a flavorless and continuous documentation, especially on huge infrastructure projects. But it is not possible to have a professional surveyor with the high-tech equipment on each site all the time or just in time. So, normally they work in teams out of 2 to 3 people on different sites each day. The problem can be solved by different workers which are on the same site each day. They only need an easy tool for that. We call this tool VDoc. And the VDoc takes smart documentation. The VDoc is a multi-measurement tool for applications in structure for motion, GIS and GNSS with a 1 centimeter accuracy. Therefore, we use different measurement tools, like a camera in your smartphone or provided LiDAR sensors, a front laser for GIS solutions, and a bottom laser like in GNSS rover. VDoc is a hardware add-on for your iPhone or iPad. Absolutely easy to use and ready in a few seconds. It can be used by everyone at every time and everywhere. This is the leading team behind the scenes, Sidon and me, 2 years ago. We start with our first ideas to solve the problems with the as-built documentation on construction sites. 1 year ago, we met the team of PIX4D by Florian, Amrita and Christoph. Within a few days, it was clear that PIX4D want to have this product for all their customers all over the world. That started the race for us to redesign the product, getting an SDK, and bring the single production to a mass production. For us, the VDoc is our enabler. The question is, for what? To open our device for using with different applications like PIX4D Catch, or to work with other global players like RIB, I2. Christoph said, this is the game changer in construction documentation. In the next few years, the PIX4D users takes processing 100 times more than yet. And now we will see the VDoc at work. Here the VDoc at the Ministry of Traffic and Digitization in Germany. More than 5 VDocs on 6 different construction sites are running in the first year. Let's have a look on different use cases with the Catch app and the Vigram Site app. And here we see another use case on the same site. So we are using the PIX4D Cloud to check the as-planned to the as-built models. Another customer and a global player, Max Bögel. They are using the VDoc too. They use it in combination with the Vigram Site and the PIX4D Catch app to get the best results ever. It is fast and it is for high accurate plannings. Let's see. Yes, the VDoc is real. And the best news, in a few weeks, available in the whole world. Thank you for being here and looking for smart documentation.